Good morning, students. I am Gayatri from Arcane Gyanjodi Public School, Chengalpet. Today I will take a science class for 4th standard. Today's portion is Unit 2 Adaptation in Animals. Today's topic is Adaptation in Hot Desert Animals and Amphibians. Now we go to the class? Yes. First, we will see about adaptation in hot desert animals. Most popular hot desert animal is the camel. The camel is called the ship of the desert. The camel is called the ship of the desert. The camel has several adaptations that help it survive in the hot and dry environment of the desert. They have a long and bushy eyelashes to keep out the sun and sun. They have a long eyelashes protect the eyes from strong sandy wind. Then they have a silt like nostrils. They have a silt like nostrils. They are able to open and close to prevent sand. They have a silt like nostrils. They are able to open and close to prevent sand. Then they have a leathery mouth part. They have a leathery mouth, tough for chewing thorny plants. They have a leathery mouth, tough for chewing thorny plants. Then they have a webbed twin-toed feet. They have a webbed twin-toed feet to prevent it from sinking into the sand. Sinking into the sand. Next, they have a leathery knee pads for kneeling. They have a leathery knee pads for kneeling. Then they have a strong sturdy thighs. They have a strong sturdy thighs. Then they have hill-like humps. They have hill-like humps used for storing fat, not water. And they can go without eating for a long time. They can go without eating for a long time. Okay, these are the adaptations of common adaptations of camel. Okay, and then the camel have a special habits. The camels drink plenty of water at one time and then can remain without water for many days. Similarly, when food is available, camels eat plenty. The excess food is stored as fat in the camp. The excess food is stored as fat in the hump. During starvation, the animal uses this stored food and survives. During starvation, the animal uses this stored food and survives. Okay? And these are the special habits of camel. Then we will see about amphibians. What is amphibians? Amphibians is nothing but that can live both on land and in water. That animals are called amphibians. Animals, they can live both on land and water. They are called amphibians. For example, frogs and toads and salamander. These are the examples of amphibians. The frogs breathe with the help of lungs when on land and through moist skin when in water. Frogs breathe with the help of lungs when on land and through moist skin when in water. Their long legs help them to hop on land and the webbed toes help them to swim in water. Their long legs help them to hop on land and the webbed toes help them to swim in water. Okay? Have you understood? What is amphibians? Amphibians means that some animals can live both on land and in water are called amphibians. For example, frogs, toads and salamanders are the example of amphibians. Okay, have you understood? Yes, I hope all of you understood today's class. So now I wind up my presentation. Thank you all.